We're here on site in the Great North, far from any civilization. This video will fix split frames, pixelated frames, frozen frames, and skip frames from disc players while watching movies. Do not touch the power circuitry. Do not touch the grease. Be cautious vacuuming around loose items in the player. Remove the cabinet cover. Remove the disk drive cover. Vacuum excess dust. Use a can of air to blow clean remaining dust. Use a microfiber cloth to clean remaining dust. Clean laser head with alcohol. The drive track and stepper motor guide rod has grease to enable smooth motion, so do not clean the grease. Once the interior of the drive is clean, put the cover back on. Put the cabinet cover back on. There you have a clean, clear picture. Never realized the new disc I put in the player could need cleaning, but use a lint-free cloth and alcohol to clean the disc and case. Show's over.